Hey Bev, it's Carmen. So what I'm using right now is called Screencast to show you my screen. But then I'm gonna show you Zoom and actually have the app loaded on my computer here. So I'm gonna click on it, open it up. I'm gonna sign in. I already set up an account. See if I can remember. And so I'm just going to let's see, I'm going to do a new meeting to kind of demonstrate it. So I'm doing a new meeting. So it's connecting right now. So basically, normally what you would do, so I think in this screen, this screen here, this screen here, so you can see, like, I have this already set up. So tonight I'm going to be talking with my friends. And it's a link that you'll get that you can send to them. And so let's see. So, but this is kind of what your screen will look like. And then here, where you just see me, is you'll see the other people. And since I don't have anybody in here, obviously you can't see them. But on the bottom, you'll see you can do reactions, which is kind of fun. You can give a thumbs up. Again, you can record it, like I talked about. So, like if you're presenting or doing a problem, you can record it, and then again, it's a link that you'd send to them. And then here's the chat. So this you'll see over here on the side. So you can put, everyone in the meeting or certain people. Again, it's not going to pop up because it's just me. You can invite people. And then here you can manage participants. So if you had some, and let me scooch this over. So if you had participants over here, you can see you can mute them. You can go to more, you can give your, you can rename yourself, you can add your profile picture. Here, like if you wanted to mute all the students, you can mute all, unmute all. This gives you some options too. So mute participants on entry, allow participants to unmute themselves. I don't know what lock meeting is. I'm guessing that might be like, they need a password or something, maybe, I don't know. Play a entry, exit. So this is the free version of it. Again, I haven't upgraded. I don't know how much the upgrade costs. But then here on the left side, bottom side, if you want to mute yourself or stop your video, if you just want a picture of yourself, you can do that. And I believe you can have as many participants as you want. With the free version, it told me I don't only have 40 minutes per session, but like I said, I did it with my friends the other night, and we probably were on it for a good, at least hour and a half. So I don't know if they're just waiving that because of everything of what's going on, but I think kind of what you're looking for, this actually might work really well. Oh, and then let's see, there is a share screen. I don't know why mine's not showing that. Let's see. There is a show screen somewhere here. I don't know if it's just not showing that because I'm the only one in here, but there is a share screen. So basically what it would do, it would just click back to, like, if you had a PowerPoint or something like that. The only thing it doesn't have is like the whiteboard. So it's not like you can actively write, where the Blackboard Collaborate does. So like the Blackboard Collaborate has a whiteboard where you can actually write as you're talking. But this one does have a share, right here, right on the bottom, share screen. So if you just click on that, then, you can click on, oh, wait, hey, look at that, it does have a whiteboard. Learned something new today. And then my iPhone is connected to it, so if I wanted to show something on my iPhone, that's kind of cool. But then, like here, you can show whatever, like your PowerPoints, files, whatever you want to do, so you can share that as well. So that's kind of cool. I didn't know about the iPhone or the whiteboard, so that's cool. All right, hope that is helpful. If you have questions, let me know. we will, oh, and then when you go to end the meeting, you just click on end the meeting. So end the meeting, end meeting for all. And like I said, students can actually download the Zoom app on their phone too, so they can follow right on their phone as well. So I have this, as you see in the bottom left-hand corner, I have the Zoom on my laptop, and then I have the Zoom app on my telephone too, so I can go either way. So hopefully that helps you. That's it.